It's afternoon later, and hello, my name is Spiro Horvath, and today we're going to be working on doing a weld, or a stick weld actually. Not just any weld, but first we have our safety gear. You want to make sure that you're wearing your safety glasses under the vest and have welding gloves. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to be taking these two pieces of metal and welding them together to a straight line. And we're going to be using one of these sticks right here. You can't really read it too well, but it says 60-13. This 60 is the tensile strength, so that's 60,000 tensile strength. And the 1 stands for the position as to where the weld can go. So for number 1, it can go into any position. And the number 3 stands for the flux modifier. Basically meaning how much of the flux you're going to have to brush off. Or in this case, since it's a 3, you're going to have to chip it off. And that's where we have these two tools here for to show that you have to take it off. The stick weld, these sticks here, both of them require a different type of AC to go through. For the smaller one, you would only go up to 105. I wouldn't push 120, but 105 is guaranteed. While this thicker one, like, you can't see it too well, it's pretty thick. So this one can go up to 150, or you can push it up to 175. I choose 170 because that's what I feel safe with. Okay? You want to make sure that when we're doing the weld, flip it on right here to the table itself. Okay? And afterwards, you're going to take it, you're going to flip the stick weld and the arc, or the AC part of it, together. Now you're making sure that you're keeping this off at all times. Only until you are ready to start welding will you flick that on, which we'll be starting that here momentarily. Pardon me while I put this on. Good. Right. Good. Here, there's a little bit of a rumble here. There's a little bit of a rumble here, and that lets you know that, hey, this is on. So, looking at it, alright. This is going to be pretty bright. It's probably going to blind the camera. Make sure that to stay in one place. Hopefully. Off, otherwise you'll have a mess here otherwise. Now, just so you know, this thing is still molten hot. It's very hot to the touch. You can see we're going to be taking our flux chipper here. Just tap it to move it, because sometimes it'll stick to it. And now, have it. You'd use this to chip it away. After that, you'd use the wire brush here and brush it off to see what kind of weld you have. overall, I did a pretty good job. Maybe a little bit, I could have gone a little bit higher, but hey, you learn. This is a learn, you have to practice it over time and learn how to do it. And with that, that's how you do a stick weld. Have a good one.